Hi guys, it is Miss Blaze. We are here in the beginning of week 5 of our virtual learning together. And I just wanted to talk to you a little bit and your parents about why we review so much. So our lessons are a bit different than what we do in classrooms. What we do is called dyslexia therapy. We've talked about this a little bit in class. When you have dyslexia, your brain is just processing the language that's coming into it in a little bit different pathway. There's nothing wrong with your brain. In fact, your brain is actually bigger than my brain if you have dyslexia. 10% bigger. Smart scientists have gone and figured that out. We also know that you're really very, very smart, and you can learn, and you can learn very quickly. But what you need is repetition, and repetition is review. So when you review something that we've done, you're learning it again, and you're imprinting, or you're creating part of your brain to be a little bit bigger, a little bit deeper, a little bit stronger. The brain's full of brain cells, and we have to build connections between those brain cells, and that's where we learn. So when we do something again and again and again, we're just adding more connections to our brain cells. So this week's about a lot of review. I'm going to show you some instant words this week. I want you to practice reading them, and I want you to practice spelling them. They're a hard group of words to spell. None of these words spell the way that they sound. And so these are words that we have to memorize. That's why we call them instant words. They're just something to memorize and know instantly, okay? You know them for reading, and you know them for spelling, just by memorizing. So I only gave you 20 of them. There's 20 of the harder ones, I think. Sorry about that. But your job is to just look at them again and again and again. Practice writing them. Practice using your different fun ways that you could write. Write it in cursive. Write it in print. Write it with crayon. Write it outside with sidewalk chalk. Do lots of different things. And then review the decks. Every day when we're in class together, we review decks, the beginning of each lesson. So you've been gone from me for a little while, so I want you to review them again. The decks are so important because it's like the building blocks of all of our ability to read, okay? And all of you are readers now, and it's so exciting, and I don't want you to lose those skills. So review the decks and review these instant words and practice spelling. And when you have lots of time left over, get a book, read a book, read to your parents. Practice that fluent reading where it sounds like you're talking, okay? Know that I miss you, and I can't wait till we actually see each other again in real life. Bye.